This video explains how to use the collision level command within the control commands. First, click on Program, Coding and create a new Lua file. Locate the collision level module within the control commands. Click to enter the collision command editing interface. Taking the FR5 robot as an example, collision levels are divided into 10 grades ranging from 25 Newton to 100 Newton. First, set the collision level for the 6-axis to level 1. Click to add and apply. Then add a point-to-point movement command and apply it. Save the program and switch to automatic mode, then run the program. Gently push the 2-axis while the robot is moving to trigger a collision alert. Click to clear alert information. Switch back to manual mode. Click the Edit button for the collision level command. Set the collision level to a higher setting, then click Apply. Then switch to automatic mode and run the program. During the robot's motion, lightly pushing the 2-axis will not trigger a collision alarm. The above covers the fundamental operations for collision level command programming. Thank you for watching.